Yeah, hi, my name is Ronit Rastogi. I live in Delhi. I have just completed my graduation from the Delhi University in 2016. After that, I have started my own startups, the co-living startup and the cloud kitchen startup. And I have worked in two verticals in real estate and the logistics company. After that, I believe that I have to shift my sales profile to the marketing profile as per the current trend and the need of the digital marketing, which will going to be used in the further in the future. So I choose to do the digital marketing from a reputed institute. When I'm just searching, I found the DSIM, the perfect institute for teaching the DSIM, and it's the foremost and the first institute which is open in Delhi. I've checked their LMS. I have taken their discussion class, checked their all the books and the reading material what they are offering, and the tutorials and the testimony which I have just seen on their websites. So I've chosen to do digital marketing course from DSIM.